Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install some new LED bulbs in a 2007 Hyundai Azera. So the new bulbs that I'll be using are LED and they are from AUTOONE. So let's get the box open and see what's inside. So we'll slide the sleeve off. The box opens this way. Email support and website. Product manual. And your bulbs. And a little fan built into them. They appear to be good quality. Just remember to never touch this area here with your bare hands. The oil from your hands can ruin the bulb. Now let's get them installed. Alright, to show a comparison before I install the new bulbs, this is the original factory bulbs or halogen bulbs. You can see how yellow and dim they are. These are the brights. Now let's get the new bulbs put in and I'll show you the difference. Alright, we're going to start on the driver's side. First thing we're going to do is spin the cap. Remove that. Unplug the bulb, push your wires aside, little spring clip, push the clip in, it should pull out just like so, and then you have your bulb. If you notice there's a little tab that points upwards. Our new bulb. Tab pointing upwards. Install the same way. Push the clip in, locks in place. Don't forget your plug. These bulbs are reversible, so it doesn't matter which way the plug goes on, this way or this way. Put your cap on, tighten up. Alright, you can see I got the driver's side changed. Nice bright white, a lot brighter than the passenger side, which is dark and yellow. Let's go ahead and get the passenger side changed, and then we'll wrap this project up. Alright, on the passenger side, I end up removing these two plugs just for the camera. It's not something that you have to do. But if they're in your way, go ahead and unplug them and just set them aside. I'm going to remove the cap. Spins just like this. Pull that off out of your way. Remove this plug. Just pull it straight off and move that out of your way. And push this little tab right here. It's a spring clip. That moves to the side. Grab your bulb, pull it out. Now to install the new bulb, make sure your tab's pointing up. Bulb goes in just like I have it right here. It should just set right into place. Just like so. Push the new tab or the clip back over it into the little locking groove. Put your plug back on and reinstall your dust cap. And that's it for the passenger side. Well, there you have it, folks. A lot brighter than the halogen bulbs. Bright white. Should be able to see a lot better at night. Definitely made a good quality. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find these bulbs. I urge you to try them out. And if this video helped you out in any way, hit that like, subscribe. Until again, I'll see you next time.